All right. So, Namaskar. At eTex India, we have developed smart textile for active compression. 1.5 billion people on this planet suffer from mild pain due to blood circulation related problems, of which 0.7 billion people suffer from severe pain. Moreover, 0.2 billion population suffers from chronic pain due to venous disorders such as DVT and edema. Most prominent stakeholders being mothers and mothers to be, elderly folks, and differently abled people. This poses a market opportunity of $5.5 billion, of which we'll be targeting $50 million. The current products in the market dealing with this include stockings, crepe bandages, kneecaps, IPCs, and leg massagers. However, they pose challenges which are no standard sizing, they cause skin infection and the challenge of donning. There is no provision for active compression therapy in most products. They are bulky and costly, hence non-portable. But most prominently, there is absolutely no feedback or monitoring system. Whereas with Fabrilax, a patented applied product, we get portable, affordable, personalized compression device with features of active compression therapy and pressure control and a long battery life. And it comes with a feedback mechanism which the doctor or the physiotherapist can use to monitor the progress of his or her patient. As you can see, we have two working models for Fabrilax. First one being a fabric, a breakthrough self-heating fabric with the potential to expand and contract to provide active compression therapy. Whereas the second one, as you can see, with the single touch of a button, the user can adjust the pressure and the physiotherapist can monitor this. With future integrations of artificial intelligence and IoT, we plan to centralize this. From a consumer's perspective, Fabrilax covers all important features while being priced at an affordable range. Our professional experience of our teams comes from the launch of another segment of protective garments called Kavach, which means shield in Hindi. We have been premium sellers on multiple e-commerce platforms and we have a well-established distributor network. We have even been featured in many publications of our country. In fact, even the Prime Minister of India had praised us in his radio show. We have received certifications from NABL accredited labs, and our clientele is extremely diverse, consisting of over 160 hospitals, prominent non-government organizations. We have also serviced major government organizations and corporates of India, through which within a year we have sold over 4 million units, generating over $1 million in revenue. Currently, we are seeking to grow our monthly revenue from $0.09 million to $250 million USD. We have been selling our products which are antimicrobial as well as face masks. Our founding team is of core textile engineers from IIT Delhi, a leading engineering institute in our country, and we have medical advisors from AIIMS, the leading medical institute in our country. We also have PhD scholars on board with us. We have over 10 years of research experience in this domain, and we are currently looking for mentors, and we are also open to licensing as well as rights deal. Thank you and Jai Hind.
Thank you very much.
So guys, let's start Q&A.
You make oxygens.
Sure. Sorry, sir.
Do you make oxygens? So the news is about your country, like 500 million people, coronavirus. We do
not make oxygens, but we are core textile engineers. We supply face masks and we are actively involved in donations as well. We donated over 1 lakh, that is roughly $0.1 million face mask, 0.1 million face masks last year.
So that number of 500 million people has got coronavirus, is that fake news or is that real news?
So honestly, my own family has been recently affected with it. Fortunately, they've recovered, but I believe it is true.
Wow. Good luck.
Thank you, sir.
Much. Any other questions or feedback?
John, maybe you as an experienced mentor, what will be your feedback?
Maybe you can even contact me on LinkedIn. I've just posted the link there.
Okay, if nobody has questions for now,
I have one quick question.
yes, please.
I believe this is a great idea, and I will not wonder if you are going to be acquired very soon by some big names. My question, what type of mentorship you are looking for?
So mentorship which could help us, expand into the healthcare domain. We already have, like at this point, our founders and us, we really believe that we are past the incubation or seed stage. And now we are looking to scale very fastly. And we are textile engineers who, who integrate electronics with textiles in the healthcare domain. So we are looking for mentors who can help us expand our clientele within that domain.
Okay, I will put my email address on the chat.
Sure, sir.
And please contact me.
Definitely, sir.
Srijan, this is Jay Patel from H196.
Yes.
I'll be happy to have an offline conversation. I come from a medical background, medical doctor turned investor entrepreneur. So I'll be happy to do the conversation and how we can support your project. Okay,
I've already sent you a message on LinkedIn. We can connect over there if you're comfortable.
Okay, brilliant.
Sure.
I'll be happy to do that.